Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Jeep Cherokee. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.2-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and a 4WD 9-speed shiftable transmission. This Jeep has less than 126,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.